Hi everybody, my name is Pete Galyon. I'm the owner of Silver Fox Properties Relocation, and this is my house. It's also the version of Cribs where we talk about the flip. So this house was a flip, and I want to show you what I mean by that. So everything in this house that you see and don't see is brand new. The good thing about this property is that I can tell you from experience that we have all the trained and trusted advisors now to come in and make this place beautiful, so we know that we can do the same for you. I don't want you to think that you're going to move from a different state or you're going to move in state and feel like you don't have those connections. Let me show you what they did. Beautiful new mid-century modern stairs with just a regal sort of gray peppercorn paint for all the trim. And of course we have brand new floors. All these hardwood floors are not actually hardwood. People mistake it for it, but it's actually just a really cool Pergo laminate floor. Moving into the dining room, which is one of my favorite areas because it has so much light. We kept the original doors because I kind of like the old etched glass right there. I think it looks pretty cool. But moving into this room, you see that it has a really wide open feel. We wanted to keep this concept, but also it has a really nice sectioned off area for the dining room. Over here, we have the exact same layout as we had before. And the reason why we wanted to do that, because it just flowed really well. You got your triangle of your cooking and your refrigerator, also to your sink, and you have a nice little seating area here, which we use all the time. Obviously, we're not going to go outside because it's kind of blustery today, but it has a brand new deck, which we had to replace because the old one was gone. The good thing is once again, we now have a brand new deck guy that we know and trust can do a great job for us at an affordable price. All these cabinets are brand new. They were installed by a local company, and also the countertops, local company as well. Gave us a really good deal knowing we're going to do future business with them and send business their way. Coffee. This is our favorite little coffee stand over here. Recreated this little guy here under cabinet lighting. Once again, our contractor did a great job on that. Let me show you my favorite room in the entire house though. So this is the room that we were really contemplating what in the world are we going to do, because it was so big, and it still is so big, that we didn't exactly know what we were going to do. But what we did know was we needed to figure out a layout before we started moving furniture in. So let me show you what we did. We created a pantry over here. We took one corner of the entire room and made a huge pantry, which is actually very accommodating now for all of our stuff. And what it did was it gave a flow for the furniture to face toward this wall over here, which ended up being a great wall for a TV after we took out an 8-foot window. It was a huge window right here. So we took out this window, which was pretty cool. By the way, this is my wife, Krista. This place doubles as our home office. And of course, this is where we come for our family time. The fireplace is working, and these cabinets were already here before, these shelves. Put lighting inside of them, of course. And most controversial piece of this entire house was the fireplace. You glad we painted it? Mm-hmm. I am too. So we had a custom mantle made, and it just ended up being an amazing look that we got straight from Pinterest. And you know, once we showed this to our contractor, he said, yeah, we can recreate that. Once again, guys, the point of this video is this. This is a 1960 house that was literally moved 6 blocks down the road back in 1986, and it had not been touched since then. And we recreated pretty much a brand new feel for this entire home with all the help from our trusted advisors. We want to offer that to you and just let you know you don't have to have a brand new house to have a brand new feel. I'm Pete Galyon with Silver Fox Properties Relocation. I hope you have a great day.